Hello guys, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn about keyword planner. Means this is basically a software which is free and which is given to all the SEO researchers and to anyone in this world. You can use it and you can use for keyword research and SEO planning. So this is basically the best software I have ever found for SEO use as well as for keyword use. So now let's talk a bit about this. So first of all, you need to type keyword planner over here, and then you will click on here and sign up with your Google account like I just did, and then you will reach here. After reaching here, you will get keyword ideas, and here you will type the keyword like I am going to teach you now. So first let's learn what is this Google keyword tool AdWords. So this is basically a free tool by Google that helps advertiser to get keyword ideas. Now you can do keyword research for PPC campaigns, that is means SEM, as well as for SEO purpose. You can get traffic, statistics, search volume, and competition and forecast for your campaign. So on page SEO starts by selecting the proper keyword from your blog, product page, or any other website. So now after logging in into your Google account, you would be directed here, and here you can type the keywords which you are thinking of that particular niche. So I just wrote digital marketing, SEO and marketing, and I clicked over here to get results, and now I just got the results. SEO, it has monthly searches 10k to 100k, that is very low, and digital marketing 100k to 1 million, that is medium. So I will just click over here, download keyword ideas, for downloading all these things so that I can view it anywhere, whether I have internet connection or whether I don't have. So I just downloaded it, and now you can see it. I just got each and every information about these keywords. I downloaded around 600 to 700 keywords. Like you can see, 691 keywords I downloaded, and now you can see the maximum search results, minimum search results, average search results, competition, etc. So now you have figured it out, that what is this basically tool used for. So after getting, I would always suggest that you always go for a keyword that has low searches, because that there is low competition in here, and it is very easy to rank your content over here, because not that much easy that you will rank in just 1 day or 2 day. It will take some time, but you have very much chances. You have 95% chances that your content would rank. But if you are going for a medium or for a high key search result keywords, then I don't think that you would be able to rank that much high in that searches. So always select a keyword that has low monthly searches, as well as competition must be low, so that you can rank within some months, because generally high monthly searches keyword would take time for you to rank. So this was all for this video, and meet you in the next video.